Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to join a meeting with code on Microsoft Teams. So first you just have to log into your Microsoft account, scroll down and tap this calendar icon on the left side. You can see choices like join with an ID, meet now, or new meeting. So what you're going to do is click this join with an ID, and then here you just have to simply paste the ID here, meeting ID, and also the passcode. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to open my other Microsoft Team account, and then I'm going to copy the meeting ID, go back and then paste it right here, go back again and then copy the passcode. So Control A or highlight, right click, copy, go back to your Microsoft Team and then paste it right here in the passcode. After that, once you have added the meeting ID and the passcode, you can now tap join meeting. And then as you can see, select allow to let Microsoft Teams use your mic and camera. You have your option if you want to click don't allow this time. And then after that, continue without audio or video. Tap this one. And here you are. So basically, that's how easy it is to join a meeting with code on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.